word family this week is the app word family. Can you say app? These two letters together, these two sounds together make the word app. App, app. Let's read our story, Hap Can See. I would like you to listen to me read it first, and then you can take your story out and read it by yourself to the person who's beside you. Let's read. Hap can see a map. I can see the app word family in Hap and in map. Hap can see a cap. Hap can see a gap. There's the gap. Hap can see a trap. Now that I've read that once, I'm going to read it to you again. This time, each time that you hear the app word family, when you hear a word with the app sound in it, I would like you to touch your nose. So each time you hear the app word family, touch your nose. That way we can be sure you're listening out for it. Hap can see. Hap can see a map. Hap can see a cap. Hap can see a gap. Hap can see a trap.